Stop thinking your money is safe. Learn how AI is fighting financial fraud and how to protect yourself. Financial fraud is on the rise, but so is AI. Artificial intelligence is now our digital watchdog, spotting shady transactions in real time. It's like having a super smart detective guarding your wallet 24/7. But AI can't do it all alone. You need to stay sharp too. First, always use strong, unique passwords. Second, enable two-factor authentication. It's like adding an extra lock to your digital door. Third, monitor your accounts regularly. AI alerts the bank, but you need to keep an eye out too. If something looks fishy, report it immediately. Remember, with AI and a bit of savvy on your side, you can outsmart the fraudsters. Stay safe, stay smart, and let AI do the heavy lifting. Please don't forget to like us and subscribe to AI World to get similar updates on artificial intelligence. See you next time.